Any guitar responds differently in sound. According to where you choose to produce a sound.
When you say where, you mean the point where you touch the strings, right?
Exactly. For instance, if you strum right on the sound hole, you get a mix of warmth and incisiveness.
Okay, like this.
Right. Now try strumming near the neck joint.
Wow, it's warmer, mellower.
Now play near the bridge, please.
Now it sounds brighter and also a bit metallic.
Cool, isn't it? Incidentally, that's how electric guitars' pickup microphones are designed.
I see 3 tones in one instrument. I like it. Any other good stuff?
Oh, plenty. We'll come back to that in the future. Now, do you want to see the percussion points?
Okay.
Then, first of all, strike the strings with your open palm.
Like this?
The sound is somehow remote and definitely more rhythmical. Now, hit twice the strings and once the bridge a few times.
Sounds great. I think it's got a Spanish atmosphere.
You're right, this technique is often used in flamenco music. But lately there's been quite a lot of experimentation in modern music too.
I'll be sure to check it out.